Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 and the Sapphire Radeon RX 9070. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you decide which GPU is the best fit for your gaming needs. We'll explore their architecture, memory capabilities, and pricing to give you a comprehensive overview. When it comes to performance, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 offers solid mid-range capabilities, particularly with its DLSS 3 technology that enhances frame rates in supported games. However, it is limited by its 8 GB of VRAM, which may not suffice for high-resolution gaming. On the other hand, the Sapphire Radeon RX 9070 excels in high-end performance, boasting 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and the AMD RDNA4 architecture, making it an excellent choice for 4K gaming and demanding titles. The RX 9070 is designed to handle modern games at high settings without breaking a sweat. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two graphics cards. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 is priced at $339, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers looking for good performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Sapphire Radeon RX 9070 comes with a hefty price tag of $699. While it offers superior performance and features, the higher cost may deter some potential buyers. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the price difference when making your decision. In terms of specifications, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 features NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and support for DLSS 3, making it a solid choice for gamers. Meanwhile, the Sapphire Radeon RX 9070 boasts AMD's RDNA4 architecture and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample power for high-resolution gaming. The RX 9070 also supports multiple display outputs, enhancing its versatility for multi-monitor setups. Both cards have their strengths, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific gaming needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 and the Sapphire Radeon RX 9070 have their unique advantages and target audiences. The RTX 4060 is a great choice for gamers on a budget, while the RX 9070 is aimed at those seeking top-tier performance. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.